Welcome, Stats Geniuses, to question number 12. This one's about making a scale model of Amina's bed. So the real life size of her bed is 190 centimetres in length and 91 centimetres in width. And she is making a 1/10 scale model of the bed. Now, anytime you find 1/10 of something, you divide by 10. So basically the measurements are going to be divided by 10. They're going to become 10 times smaller. And to make anything 10 times smaller in the model, you divide by 10. In the same way that 1/2 would be divided by 2, 1/5 would be divided by 5, 1/8 would be divided by 8, and 1/10 is going to be divided by 10. So what we've got to do is do 190 divided by 10 for the length, and then 91 divided by 10 for the width. And if we can work those out correctly, we'll have answered our question. Now this is a reasonably straightforward one you can do in your head really. So 190 divided by 10 is going to be 19. A lot of you can do that in your head, but if you couldn't do it in your head, you could think about moving the digits one place to the right. So 190 would be like that with a decimal point on the end, and then the 0 would move one place to the right, so it would be after the decimal point. The 9 would move one place into the units column, and the 1 would move one place into the tens column. So it would end up being either 19.0, which obviously is just the same as 19. Now you could do exactly the same thing with a 91. So 91, where 9 is in the tens column, 1 is in the units column, and we've got a decimal point. So if we keep that decimal point where it is, and everything moves one place to the right, the 1 would move over into the tenths column, and the 9 would move one place over into the units column, giving you an answer of 9.1. So there's your final answers. The length is 1/10 of 190, which is 19 centimetres, and the width is 1/10 of 91, which is 9.1 centimetres.